Students, in this video we will discuss about chordates. So what are the characteristic feature of chordate animals? In case of chordates, notochord is present at least in some stages of life. There are three main characters of chordates, phylum Chordata. What they are? Presence of notochord, presence of nerve cord, and presence of gill slits. So these gill slits are present. These are paired aperture present on the lateral side of pharynx, and this helps in respiration. Gill slits must be present in all chordate animals at least in some stages of their life. Okay, and central nervous system, that is the nerve cord, which is a hollow and dorsal cord present at the posterior side of the body. Notochord must be present. So these are the three main characteristics of phylum Chordata. Other characters of phylum chordates are bilateral symmetry, triploblastic nature, organ system of organization, presence of endoskeleton, enterocyclic coelom, closed circulation, special respiratory and excretory organs, and all that. So these are much more complex animals than non-chordates. Now this phylum Chordata can be divided into three subphyla. What they are? Urochordates, cephalochordates, and vertebrate. So Urochordata, what are the salient features of Urochordata? Look, as I previously mentioned that uro means tail. So notochord is present only in tail of larval stage of these animals. Body is covered by leathery taste or tunics. Okay, formed of tunicin, a kind of carbohydrate. That is why they are also called tunicata, due to presence of tunic. Open type of circulatory system are present, and there is a cavity known as atrium present in their body, in the body of urochordates. Excretion occurs through the neural gland, and they show retrogressive metamorphosis. Okay. The main example of subphylum Urochordate or Urochordata is Acidia. The next is cephalochordate. As the name suggests, cephalo means head. Notochord extends from head to tail of the body, and that is why they are called cephalochordates. Central nervous system is present but not differentiated into brain and spinal cord. They are mostly marine animals. Tail is present throughout the life, and they show body muscles like V shape, and these are called myotomes. Okay, body muscles are arranged as a series of V-shaped blocks of striated muscle, and these are called myotomes. Blood vascular system is closed type, and excretion is occurred through protonephridia. There are only 23 species are there of cephalochordates. Main example is Amphioxus. The next is vertebrata or craniata. Here cranium is already developed. Notochord or chorda dorsalis is present during the embryonic period but replaced by a rod of cartilaginous or bony rings called vertebrae, and is called vertebral column or backbone, and that is why they are named as vertebrates. All the vertebrates are chordates, but not all the chordates are vertebrates, because these cephalochordata, urochordata, these are not vertebrates. Okay, so CNS is differentiated into brain and spinal cord. Epidermis is have many layers called stratified epithelium. The circulatory system is closed type, and hemoglobin is present in the RBCs. Endoskeleton and exoskeleton both are present. Specialized respiratory organs, excretory organs are there. Now this subphylum vertebrata is divided into two groups. Okay, these two are agnathostomata or agnatha and gnathostomata. In case of agnathostomata or agnatha, a means absent and gnathos means jaw, that is mouth is not bounded by jaws, only unpaired appendages are present. Body temperature is they are cold-blooded animals, poikilothermic. Okay, and internal air also present. These Agnathostomata have only one class. Okay, the name of the class is Cyclostomata. So cyclo means cyclos means circular and stoma means mouth. So as the name suggests, the members of Cyclostomata have circular mouth. Okay, and the body is long, eel-like. Median fin is present. Single nostril is present. The skin is without scales and slimy. Heart is two-chambered. Sexes are unisexual, and Ammocytes larva present actually found in this class, in the member of this class. Example is Petromyzon or lamprey. The next is Gnathostomata. Gnathostomata means jaw is present, and all the animals belong to Gnathostomata are mainly actually from Pisces to the mammals, higher order animals, all they belong to Gnathostomata.